Hey folks, I just want to tell you about a new product I've tried out here, which is Howard Sunshield Wood Conditioner and UV Protectant. Okay, this stuff is pretty good. I put it on my door here. It was looking really faded and had a lot of water spots on it. And I applied this on there about a week ago, and then we had a major storm right after I applied it, but it still looks great. And it's got a nice shine to it. It was real dull before. And it just wiped right on. I use a paper towel. You can use a soft cloth, so that's what they recommend, but I used a paper towel. And also the door handles and stuff were faded, and it made them look all new again. So, and it's really held up to the sun, so it's working real great. But let me apply a coat on a door that doesn't have it on it so you can see how much difference it makes. Okay, here's one of my doors that I have that has nothing on it. And I'm going to try, once again, my Howard Sunshield Wood Conditioner and UV Protectant. I got this on Amazon, and I apply it with a paper towel, fold it up, and you just put a little on there, just like I'm doing here. Let's see, so you can see in the picture here. Okay, and then I'm just going to apply it straight ahead here. Watch this. Now it's going to take a little bit of absorption there because it'll be a dry door. But I tell you what, it doesn't change much after you put it on. And this stuff looks great. It makes the door just new again. Looks great. And it's UV protectant. So when the sun hits it, it's not going to get sun damage anymore. So you apply this on, whenever it looks starting to get faded again, you just apply another coat and you're UV protectant again. I like this product. It's really good, looks really sharp, and it works for me. Good luck and God bless.